camera in the wall. They forget how to use it.
Maybe. Alright, so we back. Yeah, I'm back. Trying to get back in the garage. It's been really busy for me.
Holidays.
Jevon and Pat been holding it down. Yeah, well, holidays too, and I got dad stuff and house stuff to take care of. So I've been taking care of the house. So, but I'm back in the garage trying to get this going today. Working on the G. Jevon's here with me, trying to help me out so we can get things going because I want to be ready for dress season. I'm really gonna push hard to get ready for dress season.
We got months.
Yeah, those months go by quick.
They do.
Because if you think about it, right? So we already in December, right? And so you got January, February,
3 months,
right? Wait, what? And the first drift event is probably the end of March, right? March-ish, because that's when it starts getting warm.
Yeah.
So you got like 3 months. Those 3 months been go by quick. Like I've had this for like a year already.
Yeah, that's how I like the BMW gotta get on the road.
Yeah, exactly,
really
man.
Me up with the BMW.
Yeah.
Is that reinforcement thing? I gotta get everything else I need to get done to it and then send it out there.
Yeah, but us too, it's like we're not made out of money. So like money, man.
Say that.
Money is a big thing that holds me up. I tell you that much. I don't know about you guys,
inflation is affecting everyone. Trust.
But bruh,
I just tweeted today.
Yeah.
I just tweeted today. I'm getting gas. I'm like, yo, gas really was $1 less last year this time. A whole $1.
But it's going back down slowly. But it's like it is what it is. Here it is. I went to go get gas the other day. It was like 5 cents cheaper. So it's going down slowly.
Like I said, we was $1 last year.
Dude, 5 cents makes a difference.
It do. You're absolutely right.
So come on now. Like, I don't know, like a 5 cents here, 5 cents there. But yeah, I'll take $1 cheaper any day of the week.
Oh, man.
Shoot, that especially for my daily is a Ram Rebel.
Right.
They got the Hemi in it.
I'm about to be single cam for a while.
Yo.
If the gas keep going up.
Then I went to the dealer, right? I'm sorry, I'm going off on the gas price rant and stuff like that, right? And they were like, people there were like, oh, do you put premium in your car? I'm like, wow, look, rich? Like, put premium in there. The owner manual said it run fine on regular. So guess what it's getting? Regular. So, you know what I mean? All right, so let me show you what's going on with the rear right now. So, hopefully I put this video out already, whatever, but I did get the diff back in, right? And we're gonna try to do the dual caliber setup today, and put the rear coilovers in there. So this is what we got going on right now. So, got the old rusty dusty coilovers. We're gonna have to take the spindles off because when I put them on, I wasn't thinking about the dual coilover setup at the time. I thought the way you did it was a little bit differently, but I'm probably gonna have to take these off to put that setup on, right? And then right now, Jevon's sanding down the brakes, the rear calipers, and I got one new one, and the rest of them are like used ones. All right, so hopefully this won't take too long, and so we can get it in there. And then if we get that in there, then we can get the axle in there and go from there. All right, cool. Jevon's over there laughing. I'm like, you see over there snickering. All right. It's always something with this car. Always something, right? So we can't even do the dual caliper setup right now because we ran into other problems that had to be addressed first for safety concerns and other reasons. But all right, so let me tell you, right? So maybe we can get a light in there. Hold on a second. Okay, we got Jevon holding the light first, right? So hopefully you can see this. So as we're taking it off, right? See that little light right there? There was no bushing in there, nothing. It's just like holy moly. See right there? Something in there, right? Yeah. All right, so we have to get a bushing in there, right? Second thing's wrong. See that? Yeah. That's bad juju.
That's
right?
not the worst of it though.
Then I'm gonna see if you can go underneath. Maybe I might need to lift it up. I don't know. All right. Can you see? All right. So see that bolt right there, like Jevon's pointing to? It is rounded off like nobody's business. All right. So.
This one is too.
Which one? There's another one rounded off. Good lord. All right. So there's 2 rounded off bolts, right?
This one's not as bad as that one.
Yeah.
Like this one, you could get a shark bite, like the you know the shark bite nuts. That's like reverse, like so you take it on, take it off, and it bites into it.
Yep.
It'll grab this one because it still kind of has somewhat. But this one is
so
smooth.
So we can do right. I'm probably gonna have to either see if I can find one off of somebody that's parting one out, that's parts of something, or have to get at the market. But we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to cut this out, and then just get that ball out. Cause there's no way
at the market. Because wouldn't that be the camber one that
it is.
Forth,
yeah.
So they definitely
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that they do.
It's just about how much.
Yeah, the thing is exactly how much does it cost? How much does it cost, right? So I'm gonna look today and see. So I need to look for. So since I'm gonna do this, I might as well do the other side too. We didn't even look to see if anything's rounded off over there.
It doesn't even matter.
It doesn't matter, but let's just take a look after this. But so we got some issues. So we can't even get the dual caliper on right now because of that. And so. But I had the other rod. I think the other rod I got was for that one. Yeah, the one I bought off Old Boy. Mm-hmm. That was the connect for that one. So that one had to get taken anyway.
Interesting spot to take a bullet up.
Yeah, fun times.
Just looking like, how do you really get in there? Just, I don't know.
Yeah, thanks, Nissan. And then we're gonna go over here. Let's take a look and see if we got any rounded off bolts over here. That one looks okay.
What's this one? What's that looking like right there?
I can't really see it. Let me see. That one actually looks okay.
Oh, okay. So
that one's okay.
Gave a little troubles. Oh yeah, that one's fine. The cotter pins.
Yeah.
I remember the other side just went to hell.
So let's see.
This this joint up here too got some stress cracks in it.
Where?
This one up here.
Oh, the bushing?
Yeah, the bushing. I said bolt.
Oh,
the bushing got some stress cracks. Okay. In it. It's not like gone.
Yeah. Well, we already gonna plan on taking that out anyway. So
this one got stress cracks.
So what I'm gonna do is start looking up some stuff. I'll see how much time we have today because Jevon has to be somewhere and I got to be somewhere at a certain time. So we'll see what we can take off today and get done and go from there. But it ain't going to be positive today.
The sides of your e-brake cables is connected?
Yeah.
And the other side is cut, right?
Yeah, it was already cut before I even got the car. So, but I'm just going to use the e-brake as the
hydro.
As a I'm sorry. Messed that up. The hydro as the e-brake when it's not in use. So, cause I was trying to get I was gonna just take this off. I thought it was gonna be pretty. I don't know why I keep being naive with this car.
After a certain point,
yeah. I don't even know why I even think about like, hey, I'm just gonna do this real quick. Nothing's real quick with this car. Nothing. That's why I am, and especially not that I am in right now. But that's when you get a car that's like dirt cheap, and you get a shell, and you put stuff in here that it's like, what you gonna. What do you expect?
You pay for what you get.
Yeah.
That's the same way with the beam.
Yeah.
For what you get.
I didn't pay much, so.
Yeah, we got them at good times.
Yeah.
I knew I was getting a car that had a lot of like stuff that I already want to buy and put into it, but it was just literally a drift bucket before it got to being like a crashed up drift bucket. So I kind of saved it. And the annoying part now is drift taxifying this damn car from wiring to little parts that need to be replaced. But same
I was
goes
thinking
with
about
this one.
I was thinking about like after I get this car to a certain part, and if I wanted to like upgrade to like something else or downgrade, at this point I'm doing all this. This is gonna be a brand new car by the time I finish.
You probably get like $6K for this.
Yeah. When it's done,
when it's
like
done,
shoot,
$6K easy. Anything gonna be brand new. You get like a good year or two. You feel like I'm gonna move or something. What? But I don't know. I think you should keep it because. I kind
of like it though so far. Like I just like the body style, and like a lot of people aren't really drifting the G coupes. So. Okay, so I got a better shot for you guys now. See it right there? The bolt is like a fancy washer. It's all chromed out. That's what Jevon was talking about. So we got it all. So Jevon's over here getting off the other side. See much as we can do for now, but. So we're almost there. We're getting it off. The other one, I'm just gonna come back later because we don't have enough time. But I got as far as like we can get for right now, and I'm just gonna come and cut it, and just drop it out, and see if we can source another one of these. Because it's trash. So I'm gonna we'll go from there. But or see what we can do. But I don't know if that can be pushed out. I'm not sure. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know everything. So we'll see what we can do, how far we get, and just go from there. But yeah, it's pretty much ready to come out. And then we'll look up Z1 Motorsports for bushings. I thought I just saw something routed out. Oh yeah, because right there is kind of. Every time I look at something, like something's like routed out, or something's rounded off, or somebody took a super shortcut. So I'm just looking to see what else I see here. But I think I can just take a metal wheel and clean it up and right here and take that out because I'm not gonna use any brakes. Just try to get it like I want to simplify stuff, so and make it better as I'm going along. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna see what else I think Jevon's doing over there that he might need a tool for or something like that. All right, be right back. Okay, so we wrapping it up. Got the RX-7 back inside. Show you guys real quick. We put everything back up. So mainly everything is off here. Just gotta cut here, and that's off. But I don't really see a point until I get the other part or the bushings. And this one's all off, and we just left the nut on so it'll just hold it there. So hopefully you guys can see that. Right, so couldn't do the dual caliper setup right now, but we do have the calipers.
Wait.
What's up?
I don't know. I was gonna say something, but
You just ran all the way inside.
yeah.
All right.
You just closing it out without me?
Well, no. I was just telling them what we did. I was just giving them a summary, and then you ran in here like you was missing the bus. So. All right. So, so the calipers are here. We just gotta paint them. I got like 1 new caliper and 3 used calipers. All right. So, Jevon's over there with the Honda, messing around, I guess, seeing what's going on. But we can't really get to that until that guy is done. So this is where we at. What you doing?
Remember how this hood wasn't open? I was trying to figure out what happened to the hood drop.
What? It's not opening?
No.
Yo, you know who said something else that the hood was on with Shane? Shane was saying that he was trying to open. Was it Shane? I think it was Shane.
On the latch or something?
Yeah.
Because I'm like, why is it still?
Is the mouse still in there? I don't want to show the mouse in there. Nope, yep, mouse still in here. Alright, I ain't gonna show you that. I got a dead mouse in there. Alright, where's the latch at? Oh, where's it? Excuse me, Mr. Mouse. No, it ain't opening.
Yeah, I think the cable must have got stuck.
Or snapped. Yeah, that's true. I gotta get that mouse out of here. That's gross. You got it? Ah, damn. And poor Mr. Honda's waiting his turn to get in the garage. It's not like we don't have the motor for it. You got it? Alright.
This is...
What's up with it?
Sticking like a mud. That's all.
You need some grease in it then.
Oh, yeah.
I think I got a little grease. Before we leave, I'll get some grease on it. But yeah.
Oh, man, look at this.
We're gonna return you back to your glory. What? You see something?
Mouse under there?
Huh?
Dead mouse right there?
No. It's just some stuff.
Oh, I thought that was like the head of a dead mouse. I was like, nah. Yo.
They usually because of the poison stuff, they usually leave to go get water and then they die. Well, you know, they usually die right next to the poison like what just happened there. Because it got so many like holes from the the modifications or whatever. They got entry points pretty easy.
There's one in the trunk.
What, dead too?
No, holes like at the drain hole from the trunk is right there. Yeah. Just gotta get grommets and fill them back. So
because that's what I'm saying, like even if that's not like street worthy, if it can run on its own, then I'm taking that out and putting this in there and getting the motor in there.
Yeah,
I want to get the motor.
One trip. That'll take 1 day.
Yeah.
Unbolt this. I got the other tranny. Do that. Put those two together.
Like even if you don't get the carpet and stuff in here, you know, we still can.
Still get the motor.
We still get the motor in there, so at least it's running. And I want to get it registered because like I could be driving it around. Yeah. I really don't want to sit in here until Kellogg gets his license and stuff. He's got a permit and stuff like that, but he just got to go get his testing and other stuff now.
Yeah.
But don't fret, people. We're getting there.
This shit was warm, or like we lived in like Warren State's Cal State. The next time I come up, we could just push it out the way, clean from under it, all the stuff that's under it, and then wash it down.
Maybe there is a way we could do that. I don't know. We'll talk off camera. We'll see if we can do that. But I gotta hurry up because I gotta do something in a few minutes here. So. All right, guys. So let's just wrap it up. See you next time. We own it.
That's ISO. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas, some packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah.